Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. In this video, we are going to find out the value of unknown using the concept of discriminant. So we are going to solve question from the exercise. For what value of k means we have to find out the value of k. The expression, this is a perfect square. Now how we are going to relate this question with the concept of discriminant. For the expression to be a perfect square, let's say the expression, we'll take one expression, random expression, which is a perfect square. Let's say x plus 3, this expression is a perfect square expression, right? Now how we are going to find its roots? Let's say roots will be x plus 3 whole square is equal to 0. It can be x plus 3 into x plus 3 is equal to 0, and once you'll equate it, both the factors equal to 0, you will get this. Now you see, if the expression was a perfect square, then the roots are equal. Now how we are going to relate this concept with the concept discriminant? As from the case 3, if the roots are equal, then the value of discriminant should be equal to 0, right? So this is the concept that we are going to use, that if the expression is a perfect square, let's say I'm going to write it down. If the expression is a perfect square, then its roots will be equal. Roots are equal, and if the roots are equal, then the value of discriminant is equal to 0. So now the given expression in the question, it has to be a perfect square. Now if has to be a perfect square, the value of its discriminant will be equal to 0. And for finding out the value of unknown, we need one equation, and that equation we'll get from the concept of discriminant. So we'll write, for the expression to be the perfect square, we'll write it over here. Let's say I'm going to write it like this. I'll write again the question. For the expression, let's say for the expression to be a perfect square, its discriminant should be equal to 0. Now what is the value of discriminant? The formula for discriminant is b square minus 4ac. I'm writing down the equation here so that we can easily sort out the value of a, b and c from the given quadratic expression. So what is the value? Here a is equal to k square. The value of b is 2 into k plus 1, and the value of c is 4. We'll insert these three values in the value of discriminant. We'll get 2 into a k plus 1 whole square minus 4 into k square into 4 equals 0. We are going to solve it. Now this whole equation is in k, so we'll solve it. It will become, we'll open up the square. It will become k square plus 2k plus 1, and here minus 16k square equal to 0. So we'll solve it further. 4k square plus 4 2 times 8k plus 4 minus 16k square is equal to 0. So if you see, from here we have minus 12k square plus 8k plus 4 equal to 0. And let's take out 4 as common factor, minus 4 as common factor. So we'll get 3k square, 8k minus 8k will be minus 2k, and minus 1 equals to 0. So 3k square minus 2k minus 1 equal to 0. So we are going to further solve it for the value of k. Let's break the middle term. We are having 3k square minus 3k plus k minus 1 equal to 0. And 3k will get common, k minus 1, and here also 1 take common, k minus 1 equal to 0. That's 3k plus 1 and k minus 1 equal to 0. From here we have 3k plus 1 equal to 0, k minus 1 equal to 0, k is equal to minus 1 by 3, and k is equal to 1. So these are the two values for which the given expression is going to be the perfect square. We can also verify it, that for these two values our given expression becomes perfect square or not. Let's verify these values. Verification, just to check out whether a given expression becomes perfect square or not. So let's, for the value of k is equal to 1, let's see our given expression becomes perfect square or not. given expression was this, k plus 1 into x plus 4. So instead of k, if we'll write here, then 1 square means 1, again we'll get x square plus 2, 1, when we'll insert k, or 1 over here, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 times becomes 4x plus 4. So you see, this expression is a perfect square. You can easily write it like this. Now for the value of k is equal to minus 1 by 3, let's insert minus 1 by 3 in this same given expression, and plus 4. So instead of k, we'll write minus 1 by 3 whole square x square, right? And here we are going to have 2 into minus 1 by 3 plus 1 into x plus 4. We just have to solve it further. It will become x square divided by 9. And from here it will get minus 1 plus 3 by 3 and x plus 4. Here we have x square plus 9 plus 2 into 2 by 3 x plus 4. And if you solve it further, we just have it x square plus 9 over 4 by 3x plus 4. Now let's see which type of algebraic perfect expression we are going to get. We can write it as x by 3 whole square. We can write it x by 3 into 2 plus 2 whole square. So if you see, we'll get the value of x by 3 plus 2 whole square. So this expression is also a perfect square. So already we have found out for the value of k is also a perfect square. So for these two values of k, our given expression is become now the perfect square. So I have solved it for you people, the verification also. So you can easily check for these two values of k, our given expression becomes perfect square when we have used the concept of discriminant. Hope you understand the sum. Thank you.